This is Chapter 7, Part 4. So now we're going to turn to agriculture, another form of cultivation. Compared with horticulture, agriculture is cultivation involving continuous use of cropland, and it's also more labor intensive. One of the aspects of agriculture is the domestication of animals. Domesticated animals are commonly used in agriculture, mainly to ease labor and provide manure. Something that makes agriculture different from horticulture is irrigation. Irrigation is one of the agricultural techniques that free cultivation from strict seasonal patterns of rain, so total dependence on nature. Terracing is an agricultural technique that makes land otherwise too steep for most forms of cultivation available for agriculture. And you see an example of terracing here at the bottom. Now, a lot of labor is required for the building and maintenance of terrace systems, which is another reason why agriculture is more labor intensive than horticulture. Costs and benefits of agriculture. Agriculture is far more labor and capital intensive than horticulture, but it doesn't necessarily yield more than horticulture does under ideal conditions, relative to the amount of labor invested in each method. But agriculture's long-term production per area is far more stable than that of horticulture. Agricultural societies tend to be more densely populated than horticultural ones. The cultivation continuum. Because non-industrial economies don't always fit neatly into the distinct categories that we've discussed so far, it's useful to think in terms of a cultivation continuum, with horticulturalists at one end of the continuum and agriculturalists at the other. Intermediate economies may combine horticultural and agricultural features. Now, the key difference between agriculture and horticulture is that horticulture requires regular fallowing, the length of which varies, which agriculture does not. In other words, horticulture always leaves the land alone, at least for a while, and agriculture is permanent use of the land.